This one is all about love is the answer, right?
Alright.
Love is the answer. Where is the problem? Only love alone know how to solve them. Love only make friends, or only kill men, all the killing and the fighting. We come here we condemn, but if you not kill Israeli, me say them no got no love. Israeli kill Palestinian, them no got no love. Invasion of Iraq, them no got no love. Destroy the Twin Tower, them no got no love. Fighting for world power, them no got no love. To go to one another and bring back the love. Love is the answer. Where is the problem? Only love alone know how to solve them. Love only make friends, or only kill men, all the killing and the fighting. We come here we condemn. Rough tough, yes we rough it off his teeth. Top of the mountain, me know we have to reach. And then we are begging, we gonna besiege. Let's unite together, me know we can be. Put the killing and the ignorance under your feet. This is the time wickedness get defeat. Tired to see the coffee, tired to see the rain, tired to see poverty, people want food to eat. Tired to see the hungry belly youth on the street. They want good education and food. Yo, love is the answer. Alright.
Oh, that's very good. Very good. Very impressive. Excellent. Now we don't-
Very good.